Hey everyone, welcome back to Treehouse Garden. It's Kimberly here. It's September, and although my garden is doing quite well still with my summer crops, it's time to start thinking about what I can plant for a fall and winter garden. So today I'm going to be planting some sugar snap peas on the base of my Olle Garden Arches, and let's get planting. We're at the base of one of my Olle Garden beds here and my arches. Love the arches. They're really pretty by themselves, but we're going to make them even prettier by growing some things up. The first thing that I'm going to do is just kind of loosen the soil at the base where I'm going to be putting the beans. So I'm just going to kind of loosen up. This is really good soil. So now that the soil is loosened up, I'm just going to place my beans along the trellis here, just kind of willy-nilly. Don't want them really right next to each other. I probably overkill and do more than needed. And then I'm just going to top it with some nice, light, good soil. Alright, so I'm going to make sure my seeds get totally covered. These are ones that the birds do like to find and eat. So to deter them, I'm going to put a little bit of moving art at the base of this trellis. Alright, another thing planted in the month of September, you can do sugar snap peas. They do well until it gets really frosty, and it's the perfect time in September to plant them. Happy planting, and don't forget to seed the day.